Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well and having a wonderful day. And in this video, I'm going to solve a Hextree challenge, which is Android challenge 1. So we need to clone the Git repository and then run the application in our emulator. So I just go to my Android studio, and here I will go with new and project from version control, and then I paste my I paste the GitHub repo URL, which is I copy here and paste here. After that, just we need to press the clone, and the emulator or the Android Studio will automatically clone this, and it says we need to open this in a new window or this window. So you can open this in this window, and this it takes some time, and the Android Studio will prepare the application for us. Okay, so the application is cloned, and we can run the application by pressing here, and now it will run the application inside our virtual emulator. Okay, so the application is running, and this is the application, and it's nothing but it's just a counter which is increasing when we click the counter text. So first of all, what we can do, we can just look at the source code. So we can just first look at the Android manifest.xml, and as we can see that it has three activities. One is the flag activity, another one is challenge activity, and the third one is main activity. The flag and challenge activity is exported false, but the main activity is true, which is when we click on the application, this is the screen and this is the Android main activity. So if we look at the activity classes, we can find here, this is the main activity, and it says that, and the code says that there is a text view element, and when we click on this, it will increase the counter variable and display this. And there is a condition says that if the counter variable is if the counter variable is greater than 9999, then it will call another class. If it will start another activity, and the activity will start a new intent, which will call the challenge class. That means first we need to go to counter 9000 more than 9999. We can click like this, but why it takes so many times. So what we can do, we can just here set a breakpoint and then run the application into debugger mode. It says that waiting for debug mode. Okay, not a problem. If we now click on the flag, it says that it will return us the current value of the counter. It says 1, so we can just modify the value into 10,000 and mute all the breakpoints and forward. Resume. Now we come to the second intent, which is the challenge activity, sorry. So if we visit the challenge activity class, we found that it has 10 buttons. We see in the GraphQL view on here, but we can see the code, and the code says that all the buttons are same except the ninth one. If we press the ninth button, it will it will start activity and call a new intent, which will call the flag class. So if we press the ninth button, we redirect to the next class, which is the flag activity. If we visit the flag activity, yeah, we found that there is some more code which will like show us there is a process bar, and there is a condition, which is if the progress bar is equal to 42, then the flag shows. Then the decrypt flag function call, and the decrypt function will like show the actual flag. So we need to just set the value into 42, and if we like uh, um, if we now release our mouse click, not now, if we release our mouse click, and as you can see, this is the flag. So we can zoom it out, and this is the flag. So we can just, so this is the flag. We can now submit the flag, and it's the correct flag. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. I will see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.